Hello friends. Today still I am making video quite late. This is not because I was not in the market from the morning, but the reason is that I have got trading opportunity very late. So ideally I should have avoided trading, but because of the setup that I got, actually that invited me to go for a trade today, and that actually resulted me in loss. So I just exited from the market because market has entered in a tight uh, trading range. So it is better to book a small loss and get out of the market. So this is what happened today with me, but we will discuss the thing what we have done today. So the stock for selection was BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporate Limited. Basically, I never trade. Mostly, I always try to never trade in government-backed company because the movement in these kind of company is not as they expected, and it will not actually it doesn't match with the other private companies. So, but opportunity was provided in this company today, BPCL. So first we will discuss the region. So very first region that dominating pressure in this stock is looking uh, clearly buying. But let me zoom out the chart and you will see exact what is going on with this. So dominating pressure till here it was a selling. Okay, after when 29th, yes, after 29th buyers came in picture, and whenever the price moved into this range 366 or 366 or below, they came and bought it heavily, and that resulted in its upward movement. So you can clearly see the first, second, third and fourth. If I will draw a horizontal line, then you can see clearly that this particular level was tested multiple times today, sorry, in last 3 or 4 days. So it is still my one of favorite pattern where a level is getting tested multiple times, and that will become a very good trading opportunity. So trade setup was it was a great trade setup, but due to the less volatility in the market, uh, expected kind of movement was not came in the market, and because of that I have I thought that uh, book whatever the profit or loss today as of now market is giving and get out of the uh, trade. So first reason that a trend reversal that I have occurred. So dominating pressure, this from this was selling. After this, price entered in a tight trading range. A very nice and lengthy buildup was found. So this is the second reason that I have observed. And after that, that particular level was broken, 379 or 380 80, and yes, near about that. So two very strong reasons that I have actually got in the morning to trade this stock, and again it has opened gap up with a great volume. So setup was ready to trade, but the opportunity was not provided till the first half, I think. Yes, so the kind of setup that I was looking was not given by that. So at least I was waiting for the price will go this 387.70. This particular swing high should be broken in upward momentum. So it was broken in this candle around, yes, 13.5. So I have entered in this stock, but this was a false high. Yeah, you can clearly listen that this is a false high created by the stock today, and I was trapped in that. I can say this, I was trapped in that high. So basically till 12:30 I should have waited, or I should have avoided trading in this stock, whether the setup was created or not created. So if you trapped in some kind of trade, so it is a better way to book the loss as small as you can and get out of the trade. So the reason analysis and the result I have shared, the lesson that I have learned, that if you have uh, the skill, knowledge, and the kind of implementation that market requires to survive. You need to actually execute all of them parallelly, so you can achieve the maximum result, or optimization will be in your favor. So this is all about today's trade plan. Again, out of all 5 days, I have booked profit on only 2 days. So 3 days I have booked loss. So 3 days, if I have booked loss of, you can consider if I have booked 3 rupees loss, so against that I have booked 6 rupees profit. So still overall, if you calculate the market or the week performance, I am still in profit, and this is because of my money management, where that money management practice has given me that has put me in a green zone. So this is what I want to say, that money management has actually made my chances very comfortable, that I feel that I am not in red today in this week. So thank you. Keep trading, keep watching, and keep liking my videos. Bye.